fifth graders, it's Miss Withers back with your Unit 5, Week 1, Day 3 word work. Let's take a look at our learning targets for today. Our learning targets are this: identify vowel R syllable spellings and read and spell words with the vowel R syllables. Remember that a vowel R syllable is when an R follows a vowel. It affects the vowel sound. The vowel sound is neither long nor short. The R-controlled vowel spelling, A-R, O-R, E-R, I-R, U-R, must stay in the same syllable, and it acts as a team. So you see these examples down here: market, border, thirty, turtle. We see those R syllables, those vowel R syllables in the A-R, the O-R, the E-R, the I-R, and the U-R. So we're going to do some examples together today on this video. Our first word is border. Let's figure out how many syllables this word has. Border, border. 1, 2. 2 syllables. So I'm going to put a 2 in this box. Then we need to figure out what are the vowel R spellings in this word. Do we see a vowel R syllable? I definitely do. I see one here. Let's bring that to the front. I see one here. And I also see one over here. I see a vowel followed by an R, or and border, border. What are the vowel R spellings in this word? Well, we have O-R and we have E-R. There's 2. Let's take a look at the next example. Harbor. How many syllables does this word have? Harbor, harbor. 1, 2. I count 2 syllables, so I'm going to put that in my syllable counter. But now I need to try to figure out how many vowel R spellings are in this word, and if there even are any. Harbor. I see a couple, and I'm going to put a box around them. A-R, har, that's in the first syllable. Bor, harbor, or, O-R, harbor. I see 2 vowel R spellings in this word. I see A-R and O-R. Let's make that a lowercase a. R and or. Very good. Our next example. Transform. How many syllables does it have? Transform. Transform. This could be kind of tricky because I do see an R-A, but I remember that the R spelling or R syllable has to have the R after the vowel. So really the only one here is this right here, O-R, because this R is before this vowel. So transform is 2 syllables, transform, and our only vowel R spelling is our O-R. Next example, twirling, twirling, syllables, twirling, twirling. I count 2 syllables, and we're looking for our vowel R spelling. Let's see, I see one, absolutely. It is right here with that I-R. That's the only one I see, and we will type I-R in that box. 2 more examples. Concern, concern. How many syllables? I count 2. And let's take a look. Right there is our E-R, vowel R spelling, with the R coming after the vowel. And that's the only one I see, E-R. Our final example, disturb, disturb, disturb. 2 syllables, 2 beats in this word. What are the vowel R spellings? I see one we haven't had yet, our U-R. Our U-R vowel spelling. That R comes after the vowel, and I just see 1. So when you complete your work today, you're going to be highlighting and sorting these words that make the R-controlled vowel sound. So you see I have examples in each of these columns, A-R, O-R, E-R, I-R, and U-R. You could highlight and then sort, or sort and then highlight, but please make sure you are doing both. You are highlighting the R-controlled vowel sound in each word and sorting them in their proper place. Then you will submit your slides. Good luck!